Hey everybody, some people want to get some new videos from me. It's been raining for the last 2 days, probably will be. I did something special today. Yesterday, I had some new tires put on that I ordered. They're Thunderers. Right there's the name. And the size, let's see if I can find the size here. They're Mach 3. R702. That one don't show the size right. This one, where was the size? I forget where the size is before Thunder. Might have to go around. Here it is over here on this side. I don't think you guys, yeah, you can see it. 245, 45, 18s. What I had is a stock tire size. I remember it was 250, no, 265, 50, no, that's not right. These are wider. 50, 18, but I'm trying to think the size, what they were. It was 235, 50, 18, so I went 10 inches a little bit thinner and 2 inches wider when you come out the diameter. But how they work in the rain, they're pretty good. I mean, they don't really slide at all compared to the other ones, and the other ones were premium tires as well. And I'm gonna show the exact, well, here you go, here's a better one that shows the tire size. There you go, 245, 45, 18. It's not a 13. 100W, I guess, deals with the speed that it can go. It's 168, the maximum speed, which is the car speed itself too, 170. But Thunderer, or Thunderer, like thunder, and they add in an at the end. Mach 3 R702. That's the whole model number of these. I had Firestone put them on. Oh, there you can see. Yeah, each tire shows a little bit different. Thunderer. It's a funny name. Thunderer. And do they sound like thunder? I'm not sure on that because I got the exhaust. But it's raining now as well. But they are wider. I guess I have to go to the back to look how a little bit wider, or maybe right here. I can't show you the other tire because they're trashed, but that's how a little bit wider they are. So, but yeah, that's the tires that I just had put on, and I do like the tires. It's raining. They're all weather tires, which means you can do in light snow. Rain's nothing, so apparently that's a good thing. And of course dry. They're road tires, regular road tires. Nothing special other than being the size. The total that I got from gigatires.com, get out of the rain here. Total price that I paid was $464, I think it was, total. And it came with as a package for 4. You can get individual tires, but I needed new tire. I wanted new tires than the original ones that I had on there, which were a premium summer tire. And I mean, oh well, they're tires. They're not truck tires, so they're not that expensive, as you can tell. But I went to gigatires.com to get the tires, and yeah, that's a really cheap, good site for cheap tires. Those same tires elsewhere, like $5 something for a pair, like $100 more average. Wow, it's really raining. It makes me want to go out there and play in the rain. No traction control. Keep the stabilizer on it, but no traction control. No. I mean, it slides a bit, but yeah, just looking at the sides, they are a little slimmer. The rim looks smaller now because it's slimmer. Yeah, that's my recent new review video here, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and yeah, there's a jet in the sky right now. Of course, you can't see it because it's cloudy. It's over there somewhere. They just passed. My sister's rental. Don't worry about that. But yeah, those are nice tires I got on there now. Trying to stay out of the rain real quick. Yep. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for your comments in the previous videos. And yeah, I don't do too much of the posting on the videos. I just do every now and then post some videos about certain things. Mainly the car situation or me playing guitar. I got a new guitar too. I actually built the guitar recently. I'll do another probably review or video about that one. Can't really view, well, maybe there will be a review. But so far, as it was raining like it is now, last night or yesterday when I came home, tires were fine. I didn't feel like they slid too much. And it wasn't raining actually at the time. So now that it's raining, maybe I should go out and test drive and see how they do. They are directional or unidirectional tires. So that's a good thing to a point. They only go on one way. Alright, thanks guys for watching this video and have a great day.